Okay, first number. Enjoy that number? South side. Okay, do a little magic. Magic doesn't exist. Oh, you knew that already. Good. Most of you have seen Secrets of Magic revealed on Fox Television Network. Take today's USA, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pay attention, because everything I'm going to do now doesn't exist. Since you've been in here, since 3 o'clock, Bob and Michelle, you're doing a great job with the music, right? Okay, they've been playing a subliminal message. And they're telling you that whatever Mark tells you to do, you're going to do and believe this whole week. So the first thing we're going to start with is I'm going to tell you, I ripped this paper. I did not rip this paper. It is not ripped. I have timed the ripping of the paper so that no matter what happens, you believe the paper has ripped. This is also, if it doesn't work as planned, it becomes a great comedy piece when Karen comes out and she will then take it out and pick up all the pieces of paper. So I have not ripped the paper. It is totally not ripped. I'm making sure I have it right. I'm listening to the music. Coming up, you hear it? 3, 2, 1, good. So you have to really know how much you made that music up earlier on in the evening. So as I go more and more, pay attention. I almost sound like Darth Vader with this breathing. Okay. So what you also notice, that sometimes you believe that you've seen paper fall to the ground. It's not there. Mark did not pick it up. Mark is not picking them up. They are not picked up at all. So at this point in time, you honestly believe you have seen the paper get ripped. You have honestly believed that there's no way he can restore it without a nice little comedy moment of the show. I don't have pockets. That's the nice thing about these dance routines. Okay, it's not up the sleeves either. Okay, let's count up to 3. 1, 2. Okay, let's count to 4 with dances. 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll notice there is a little rip in it, and not really much you don't pay attention to. And everything else is identified